Many people have already spent rare coins without knowing. Some later learned they lost a huge amount of money. Today, we are talking about one special coin that still hides in plain sight. The 2009 Sacagawea $1 coin. This coin looks normal, but some versions of it are powerful treasures. Stay with me, because by the end of this story, you may rush to check your own coins. The Sacagawea dollar first appeared in the year 2000. It was created to honor Sacagawea, a Native American woman who helped guide the Lewis and Clark expedition. On the front of the coin, she is shown with her baby son on her back. This design was new, bold, and different from older U.S. coins. The coin also had a golden color, which made many people think it was made of gold. It is not gold, but the color helped it stand out. The goal was to make a dollar coin that people would actually use. For several years, the Sacagawea dollar stayed mostly the same. But in 2009, everything changed. The U.S. Mint decided to start a new program called the Native American Dollar Series. Instead of keeping the same design on the back, the Mint decided to change the back design every year. Each design would honor Native American history, culture, and contributions to the country. This made the 2009 coin very special, because it was the first year of this new idea. The back of the 2009 Sacagawea dollar shows 3 plants: corn, beans, and squash. This design represents the Three Sisters farming method used by Native Americans for hundreds of years. These 3 plants grow better together and help each other survive. It is a symbol of wisdom, balance, and cooperation. This meaningful design already makes the coin interesting, but that is not why some of them are worth big money. Most 2009 Sacagawea dollars are common. The P means the coin was made at the Philadelphia Mint. Millions of these coins were made. If the coin has been used in stores and shows wear, it is usually worth $1 or maybe a few dollars more. Even clean coins without errors often sell for under $10. So yes, many of these coins are normal. But not all of them. Some coins were made in near-perfect condition. These coins were never used. They were kept safe and have no scratches, no marks, and no damage. When experts look at these coins, they give them a grade. The higher the grade, the higher the value. A very high grade, like MS-67 or MS-68, is extremely hard to find. A 2009 Sacagawea dollar in one of these top grades has sold for over $1,000. That is already shocking for a modern coin. Now let's talk about errors, because this is where values can explode. One of the most famous errors on 2009 Sacagawea dollars is missing edge lettering. Remember, the date and mint mark were supposed to be on the edge. But some coins came out completely smooth. No letters. No date. Nothing. This is a real mint error, not damage. These coins should not exist, but they do. A real 2009 Sacagawea dollar with missing edge lettering can be worth hundreds of dollars. In strong condition, some have sold for over $1,000. Collectors love these coins because they are easy to spot once you know what to look for. Just check the edge. If it is blank, you may have something special. Some coins have partial or weak edge lettering. Maybe only part of the date is there. Maybe the letters are very light. These are also errors. They are not as dramatic as missing lettering, but they are still rare. Depending on how strange the lettering looks and the condition of the coin, these can sell for hundreds of dollars as well. Another exciting error is called a rotated die. This happens when the front and back of the coin do not line up correctly. When you hold the coin and turn it, the back design might be sideways or upside down. This is not supposed to happen. When it does, collectors notice. A rotated die error on a 2009 Sacagawea dollar can sell for several $100s. The bigger the rotation, the higher the value. There are also double die errors. This happens when the coin design is stamped more than once, slightly off each time. It can make letters or details look doubled. Sometimes it is easy to see. Sometimes you need a magnifying glass. Once confirmed, these coins can sell for hundreds of dollars. Some collectors spend years searching for double-die coins. Off-center strikes are another popular error. This happens when the coin is not placed correctly during striking. Part of the design may be missing, and blank metal shows on one side. These coins look strange and eye-catching. Collectors love coins that look different. A strong off-center 2009 Sacagawea dollar can sell for close to $1,000, especially if the date is still visible. There are even more errors that add value. Die cracks happen when the metal stamp used to make the coin begins to break. This creates raised lines on the coin. Rim cuts happen when part of the edge design breaks, creating a raised blob of metal. Clipped planchets happen when a piece of the metal blank is missing before the coin is struck. All of these errors are collectible. Many sell for hundreds of dollars. Some rare examples sell for over $1,000. You may have seen posts or videos online claiming that a 2009 Sacagawea coin is worth millions of dollars. Most of these claims are not true. They are made to get clicks and views. Real value comes from real auctions and real collectors. Still, even without million-dollar prices, a coin worth $1,000 is a big deal. For many people, that kind of money can change things. If you think you have a valuable 2009 Sacagawea coin, there are some very important rules to follow. First, never clean the coin. Cleaning can destroy the value instantly. Even dirt and toning are better than cleaning marks. Second, always check the edge carefully. That is where many of the most valuable errors are found. Third, compare your coin to trusted images from coin experts and grading companies. Finally, if you truly believe your coin is rare, professional grading can make a huge difference in value. One reason these coins are still found today is because many people ignore dollar coins. They sit in drawers. They sit in jars. They get spent at face value. People do not stop to look at them. That is why rare examples still appear in everyday life. Someone, somewhere, still has a valuable coin and does not know it. The 2009 Sacagawea dollar is a perfect example of hidden value. It looks simple. It looks common. But under the right conditions, it can be extraordinary. A small mistake at the mint. A perfect strike. A missing detail. These small things can turn a $1 coin into a coin worth hundreds or thousands. Think about that the next time you see a golden dollar. Do not rush. Do not spend it right away. Take a moment. Check the edge. Check the details. Look closely. Because that coin might not just be change. It might be a piece of history. It might be a rare error. It might be a hidden treasure waiting for the right person to notice it.